kung sabihin ko sa'yo na pwede kang kumita ng passive income gamit lang ang isang insurance. Wow! Hindi ito networking hindi din side hustle, at hindi din kailangan ng araw-araw na effort. Hindi ito scam, hindi rin magic. Ginagawa to ng mayayaman for decades. Pero bihira ang nag-explain in simple terms. If you're a breadwinner or young professional, this video is for you. Linawin ko muna kapag sinabi kong without doing anything, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang gagawin forever. May isang tamang decision ka lang na gagawin today, after that, the system works for you. So ito ang sekreto, insurance na hindi lang pang protection, kundi pang wealth building. Most people think insurance is expense. Bayad ka, tapos na. Pero ang totoo, may specific type of insurance na may life protection, may savings component, may dividends and bonuses, at pwedeng mag-generate ng income in the future. Pero ang problema, marami ang may insurance pero maling klase or hindi alam paano to i-maximize. Ganito siya gumagana. You get one participating limited pay whole life insurance plan na may pang long-term goal. Habang nagbabayad ka ng premium, protected ka, nag-iipon ka, at yung pera mo, pinapagalaw ng kumpanya. Wow! After several years, pwede ka nang makatanggap ng annual cash payouts, dividends, bonuses, retirement funds, or optional withdrawals. Hindi mo kailangan magbenta Hindi mo kailangan mag-monitor ng market araw-araw. The insurance works quietly in the background. That's passive income. Wow! For example, let's say 25 years old ka, nag-start ka ng isang policy ngayon. After age 31, may option ka na gamitin ang annual payouts at dividends as extra income, pambayad ng bills, pang-aral ng anak, pang-travel, pang-down sa kondo, sasakyan, pang-puhunan sa negosyo, or pang-retirement cash flow. O diba, hindi ka nagdagdag ng trabaho, nagdagdag ka lang ng tamang strategy. Hindi mo kailangan ng 5 o 10 agad. For most breadwinners, one well-designed insurance is enough to start building passive income. Ang mahalaga, tamang structure, align sa goals mo, at in-explain ng maayos sa'yo. If you want to know kung anong type of insurance ang bagay sa'yo, hindi ito sales talk hindi din pilitan. Education muna. Comment passive or send me a DM or click the link on my bio, and let's build protection and income the smart way.